Have you ever heard of the legendary pirate cat, Brave Claw, a feline hero who sailed the seven seas, commanding his pirate ship, the Shadow of Claw? Brave Claw was not your average pirate cat. His bravery was legendary, his cunning unparalleled, and his adventures, well, they were nothing short of epic. Once upon a time, Brave Claw and his fearless crew stumbled upon a mysterious map. This was no ordinary map. It promised to lead them to an unknown treasure, the treasure of the Cat King. Intrigued and eager, Brave Claw decided to seize the opportunity. Their ship was equipped, their sails were hoisted, and the crew embarked on a thrilling treasure hunt. The Caribbean Sea, however, was not a forgiving host. It unleashed upon them storms, monstrous sea creatures, and rival pirates. Yet under Brave Claw's leadership, they faced each adversity head-on and moved forward. Their journey led them to an uncharted island, the supposed location of the treasure. But the island held a surprise of its own, the evil army of the Cat King. Undeterred, Brave Claw and his crew bravely disembarked and ventured into the heart of the island. Their journey through the island was fraught with danger. They encountered traps at every turn, but Brave Claw's wit and his crew's courage helped them evade each one. Their real test came when they faced the Cat King's army. A fierce battle ensued with swords clashing and the air filled with the sounds of battle. The fight was grueling, but in the end, the Cat King was defeated. The treasure at last belonged to Brave Claw. But as they celebrated their victory, they made a profound realization. The true treasure they had found was not the gold or jewels, but the bonds of friendship they had forged and the adventures they had shared. And so, Brave Claw and his crew set sail once again, their hearts full and spirits high. Their adventures became legendary, their tales echoing across the waves of the Caribbean Sea. For they had discovered that the greatest treasure of all was not gold or jewels, but friendship and adventure. And that, my friends, is the true treasure of life.